European currencies are trading mixed. The pound sterling is advancing steadily, while the common European currency is losing ground at the same rate. Its decline stems primarily from preliminary data on inflation. The figures confirmed the economy's worst fears: deflation in Europe intensifies. The decline in consumer prices accelerated from -0.2 to -0.3%, the lowest level in more than 4 years. Thus, it can be seen that this period of low inflation becomes protracted. Therefore, the ECB is expected to seek all possible ways to stop it. Of course, this involves further monetary policy easing as well as negative interest rates. The pound sterling is gaining ground amid new reports on Brexit. This data is a case for optimism. Although after the European Union launched a legal case against London, the talks appear to have reached deadlock. However, Boris Johnson intends to remedy the situation. He announced that EU leaders would meet tomorrow to find a way out of the situation. This gives faint hope that the parties will be able to come up with at least some sort of solution. As for London, this may be the last chance for the country to avoid economic disaster. Nevertheless, the most important event of today will be the report from the United States Department of Labor. This news may support the greenback. The unemployment rate is expected to decrease. As for non-farm payrolls, about 915,000 new jobs are anticipated to be created. This means that unemployment is likely to decline further. So, the US labor market continues to recover gradually. Moreover, this fact will have a positive impact on the entire economy. The euro-dollar pair is still moving at the conditional peak of its correction, started from the local low of 1.1612 at the beginning of the trading week. The price touched the resistance level of 1.1755 and its corrective movement slowed down. As a result, the pair has been trading in the range of 1.17 and 1755 for more than 60 hours. According to the current trading chart, the quote keeps moving within the range of 1.1700 and 1755, where traders were selling the currency during the Asian session. Taking into account the current news background, the pair will most likely break through the lower border rather than the upper accumulation line. Thus, in case the price consolidates below the level of 1.1685 with a view to reaching the area of 1.1650 and 1600, the best way to make a profit will be to consider short positions. As an alternative, the price may consolidate above 1.1775. In this case, the pair is expected to move towards the level of 1.1810. Like the European currency, the pound-dollar pair is making a correction. However, as for the pound sterling, the level of speculative activity is very high amid strong US background. In the previous trading session, the British currency managed to make 3 significant upward movements of more than 350 pips. The currency's dynamic was similar to the panic surges observed in March this year. Analyzing the current trading chart, the market continues to work succumbing to emotion. That's why we can see chaotic price spikes. In the meantime, speculators are mulling over the news about the upcoming meeting of Boris Johnson and Ursula von der Leyen. However, this refers to the local background. The situation can change dramatically ahead of the American session. This means that the pair may turn around and go towards the level of 1.2830. That's all for now. We keep monitoring the financial market situation. Subscribe to our channel. See you in several hours. We will take a close look at the US trading session.